Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to follow up on one of Dan's active trades at StockMarketMentor.com. Dan Fitzpatrick has an active trade list of recommended entries and exits, and he sets up the whole trade for you, gives you the idea, and then it's kind of in your hands to take care of. And this is one that was on his list today. And we had some members in our forum at stockmarketmentor.com talk about how they were enjoying a 40+% gain on VRNA. And let me break down this chart for you. As you can see, the stock is holding in and around the 21-day exponential period moving average. That level has been acting as support, and even when it does get below, they buy it back up. And so even if you get shaken out on moves like this, which in a market like this can look quite scary, you can always re-enter a stock if it proves you otherwise. So if I'm buying a stock here, for example, and I'm like, okay, if it closes below the 21-day, maybe I'll close it out. And then it does, you can say, okay, well, got taken out for my risk. But it firmed back up. Then with this new pullback bar, you have a new level to define your risk off of. And, that is kind of a lot in terms of a swing trade. It's about 8% risk, but you can fix that by managing your position size. And so anytime someone is giving you a stop recommendation and it's a little wide, just change your size, and then it's not so bad. And so this stock just kept holding up around that 8 and 21 day after this little whoop-de-doo. And then today we had some news, and the stock popped. At one point, it was up almost 50%. That's a year maker, in my opinion, especially in this market. So this is just one idea that we have going over at stockmarketmentor.com. It definitely looks like it's going to be a stock picker's market, and we have some of the best in terms of our membership at stockmarketmentor.com. We have hundreds of members working together in our active trading forum, and they're pointing out stocks all day long. So definitely something you want to check out. Click the link, take a trial, and I hope to see you at stockmarketmentor.com.